Yes, very wonderful. Yes, it's no matter the project or their product, it's very impressive product. So let's go over to another company that is Genesis Focus Lighting. Genesis Focus Lighting. Have you come in?
Yeah, I just got in. Hi.
Hi. Hi. Yeah. Good afternoon.
Yeah.
I am Casey for Lighting. Yes. May I have your name, please?
Yeah, my name is Sandra. Hi, Casey.
What's your name? Sorry.
Oh, my name is Sandra. As
Angela, right?
Yeah.
Soldier.
Andres. Yes. It's Sandra. Sorry.
Soldiers. Okay. So now we have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your product. So could you introduce your company to us? Hello.
Sorry, could you repeat again how many minutes we have? Is 10 or 15?
Yeah.
Hello?
We have 15 minutes to take a view of your company and your product. So now, could you introduce your company to us?
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna share the screen with you. Can you see my PowerPoint?
Yeah, we can see. Yes.
Okay. Hi, I'm Sandra, and I'm the presenter of our company, Genesis and the Focus Lightning. So in this PowerPoint, I'm going to introduce our company profile first. So about us, I'm gonna read it because maybe you can't see the words, they're very small. So Genesis and Focus Lightning is a lighting supplier and manufacturer with production facilities both in China and Vietnam. So we have two companies in China and Vietnam. So our China factory Genesis was founded in year 2012 in Flushmount City and specialized in LED lighting development and production. As the company grew rapidly, we moved factory to Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province in 2016. It covers 70,000 square feet, and we have a strong research and development team in China to support production development, market research, product certifications, pilot run, and mass production. So another one is our Vietnam factory. Its name is Focus, and it was founded in 2014 with 600,000 square feet and 900 employees. That's a lot in Guangdong Province. Currently, the US market takes 60% of Focus business, and more US clients are coming to our Focus company for business development, expecting more to come in the coming month as our company Focus have been expanding and upgrading. Our LED lighting products have been widely acknowledged by the North American distributors and retailers, including Home Depot, Lowe's, Seagull, Kichler, Leviton, Costco, Dave Carter Associates, and Facom. Sorry, I'm trying to switch the page. Okay, so the Vietnam factory has advanced and adequate facilities for lighting production. Vietnam factory Focus, assembly, and aging lines are capable of supporting big volume orders. Currently, it has one auto assembly line for panel light products. And our main goal, as you might know, is to have lighting manufacturing based in Vietnam and China to continue providing our customers with good quality products, excellent service, and competitive pricing. And about our certificates, because every company needs certificates to sell their products. And that's what we have already. Our Vietnam factory passed audits by major North American customers, and we currently ship lighting products from Vietnam to USA around 300,000 pieces and with 100 containers per month. Our maximum capacity is 100,000 pieces per day, or say 180 containers per month. The reason why I put this sentence here is because we haven't reached our full potential, which means that our product line is not saturated yet. And if you want more products from our company, you can always ask us to do it, and we will satisfy your needs. And for the following PowerPoints, I'm going to show you the interior layouts of our company. So these are the things we have. For example, we have 7 assembly lines configuration with aging lines. We have plastic injection machines. We have 23 sets. We have plastic extrusion machines, 4 lines. SMT lines, we have 9 of them. 4 insert lines, 7 die casting workshop, powder painting lines. And in our Vietnam company, we have numbers of employees over 900. That's pretty much, I think. So for the following PowerPoints, these are the pictures presented. And we took those pictures, I think, in Vietnam company. And for the later, I'm going to show you the actual showroom of our Chinese company because I'm currently here in our China company. Okay. So this is a showroom where we communicate with our customers in this room and with our products. This is a test lab. These balls are the test lab for our lamps to see if our products are qualified for our customers. We have integrated sphere, IES system, high, low temperature testing, salt spray test, and with many others. And I'm going to show you afterwards. This is an SMT line. This is the driver insert. This is a plastic injection, plastic extrusion, and tooling shop. This is the 7 die casting machines we have in Vietnam company. And these are the die casting factory machines. And this is a Vietnam powder coating workshop where we put some different colors of powder onto the lamp to make it more colorful and beautiful. And this is the Vietnam slim edge panel lights auto production line, where it has very high-tech arms like technology. This is a 17 assembly lines with aging lines. And okay, I'm going to stress this because our capacity can be up to 1,000 pieces per day. Yes. And we have a total number of 100,000 square feet of a warehouse. This is a stamping workshop. We just built it in June. Yeah. Okay, so just now I just show you what is our interior layout is like. And so for this product, the outdoor lantern, in 2020, we shipped around 470 pieces. And in 2021, we proposed to Costco, and they bought our product about this with 900,000 pieces. And I'm going to show you our product here. Can you see?
Hello, Sandra. We cannot see your.
Yes.
We cannot see your screen. Cannot see your showroom. are on the screen share now, so we can see your demo. Can you see your product?
Oh, maybe we can show the products later when I show the whole showroom with you, and then I'm going to continue with my PowerPoint.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is our best-selling product, the outdoor lantern, because we sell it to Costco, and yeah, as you can see, the numbers presented here, we sell a lot of them. These are the other variety of outdoor lanterns that we designed, even though we didn't sell a lot of them, but yeah, these are our designs. These are the LED flash mounts, and we put it on the ceiling. These are the LED downlight. LED vanity are here, and yeah. These are the LED on their cabinets. And I know maybe some of you don't, the PowerPoint just flashed too fast, and maybe later when I show the contact information, I can show you our products. Like we have products. Yeah, we have all the paintings in a book, and I'm going to send you maybe the PDF file of it. This is a rechargeable LED on the cabinet. These are combined with high advanced technology because it can. We have a charger like on the left corner of it. It is a charger, and it is reusable and can be connected with Wi-Fi. These are the incandescent designer collections. These are the recreational vehicle lighting, and we usually put those lights in the vehicle that we drive and travel around. Yes, 房车. And I know that maybe the slide went too fast, but this is finally the final slide of our PowerPoint, and this is the contact info. Maybe you can record some of these. We have our website and our China and Vietnam factory location. Okay, and below are our email and our cell phone and tel. Just feel free to contact us, and we are always welcome to contact with our customers and to satisfy their needs. Okay, so for the rest of the minutes, how about I'm going to show you around our showroom because we have a lot of the products presented here. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Sandra, we cannot wait to see your showroom, but we turn off the screenshot. Yeah. So
okay. Let me stop the screen share and show you. Oh, thank you. I will. Oh, these are our flash mounts because we presented those flash mounts just in my PowerPoint, and yeah, these are the flash mounts.
yeah, Sandra. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay now. Just now we cannot hear your voice. Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. These whole right here, these whole right here are all SMT designs. And can you see it? Okay. These are what I just mentioned in the PowerPoint of the recreational vehicle lighting, where we put those lights on the top of vehicle that we can travel around. these are very small compared with but these are very small. Cute and small and cute. Okay. These are other vanities.
Yeah. Yes, Sandra. We can hear your voice now. Are you speaking?
Yes, I'm speaking. Can you hear me?
Maybe the signal is no well.
Let me see. How about now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, it's okay now.
Okay. Oh, okay. So after I show you all these products, the final production of it, how about right now, let's go to the production line.
Production line, is it far from your showroom?
It's not far from our showroom. How many minutes do we have?
Yeah, our time is limited, so I think we are here want to ask you a few questions. Then
Okay.
Yeah.
So
how about the NOQ and the lead time of your product? How about the minimum order quotation? NOQ and the lead time?
it's 500 pieces per items. It's 500 items per. Oh, the lead time is 45 to 60 days. I'm sorry.
Okay. I heard that your product is mainly sell to American. Any other country are you sell to?
Yes, we are selling products to not only America, but the USA, but also North America, and also Korea, South Korea. Yes.
Korea.
And
okay. So as we know, the COVID-19 virus affect us a lot. Is it affect your business?
Yeah, I know a lot of business are affected because due to COVID, but our company was not that much affected.
Yeah. So
That's why.
okay. Can we know the price of your product? I think many customer will comes on the price. I think your product volume is very large. The price is competitive, right?
Yes, the prices are competitive. And could I know which product are you asking for the price? Because we have so many products here.
Yeah. You can show us 2 items and tell us the price.
Oh, okay. This one. This is the best. Okay, this is the best selling product. Which I mentioned in PowerPoint to Costco, and we sell around. So, what's the price? 20. Oh, this outdoor lamp right here, we sell it as $20 per lamp. $20 is a cheap price. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a cheap price.
Okay, Sandra. Okay. Well. Thank you for your wonderful information. It's very vivid and impressive. Yeah. Thank you, Sandra.
Okay.
Thank you. So today we have to come to here and see you next time. See you.
See you next time, Casey. Bye bye. Have a good
Bye bye, Sandra. Thank you for introduction.